is, for an aircraft like this,
Right.
you have one piece upper fuselage with the multi-part slide molds. You can faithfully capture all the complex curves that you have in this fuselage, and even more so on the bottom fuselage. Before, you would have to have each of these engine nacelles to get that shape correct as multi-parts separate from the fuselage, and then you would have to attach them to the fuselage.
Nice.
And here, it's all one piece, including the exhaust. And what you do is once you put them together,
You don't lose any detail. That's awesome.
you don't have to worry about losing any detail. Main part of this seam right here is going to be buried when you put the bottom wing in. Also, on here, and I remember this is one of the original test shots before the moldings were fine-tuned.
Right.
This is right along the panel line. When you put the forward fuselage and slide that in, that's also along a panel line. So that when you build the aircraft, you can see right here at the back end of that fuselage, that's no filler.
That's nice. Yep.
And also at the front end of the fuselage. The detail is unparalleled.
Oh.
You look at the panel line detail along this curve right here, this very complex curve. It is consistent in depth and in width.
There you go, that's right.
With the rest
Same
of the
across with the rest of the aircraft. Same thing across the top of the fuselage here. With older technology molds, it would be very deep along the top, and then it would start fading out as it kind of goes to the edges. Now you've got that consistency all the way across.
Great. It's good to see.
This is, like I said, the new Kinetic Gold standard. Any kit that you see going forward with us, when it has the Kinetic Gold logo on it, it's going to have the new technology molds. That's going to be our production standard going forward. We're still going to have several of our older kits still available. Those will be the ones in the blue boxes. So with the black and gold, that'll be the new standard. We've got several new aircraft going to be coming out soon. We've got the F-16 XL2, the 2-seat XL. We've got the Cheetah D from South Africa coming out soon. We just announced yesterday our Mirage F1 series that we're going to do in 48 scale, as well as obviously the Pucara from South America. That's going to be coming out probably end of this year, beginning of next.
Nice. Very nice. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate
Thanks for your time. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Beginning of our transition to the new molding process. And once again, you can just see the really fine details on the panel lines. We have different noses from this seam forward so that you could do the Canadian versions, all the different versions of the A and the C, as well as the D and the B. So we do make the 2-seat version of this as well. So this was the beginning of that. Now, when we sat there and we originally did this, we put so much effort into the production of the aircraft, we still had some of our older weapons, and we were looking to now start updating our weapon screws as well.
Okay, nice. It'll be good to see.
Good to see. And obviously every year the Canadians do a new paint scheme for their demo aircraft, and we like to sit there and bring those out each year.
Very nice.
Morning.
Good morning. This is your newest release coming up, the B-52?
It will be in town in about 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks?
And we're offering a 20% show discount.
Pre-order for it? Yeah, okay. Nice.
48?
48 scale X16 XL
Oh, my.
We already had the XL, the single seater.
Oh, yeah.
Two-seater.
Which is 2 and 1 or just 2?
It's just
Just 2. Yeah, okay.
So a lot of people, I think, were waiting on that.
Yes.
I know I was waiting. Two-seaters a little bit more pretty. It is.
I gotta go.
I'll do that in one extra.
Oh, good, yeah.
We just take
Yeah.